So we're back on it again, you see me? Another day, as mother say, another day, another dollar. You see me? Just there, grab some chicken and come look some water to drink. So me I check up on the beat, you see me? Remember, always to like, subscribe, so like, remember that. We're out here, isn't it? Back to work. So look out for the video this weekend. Yeah, spicy shit, spicy. Beer chicken man, about spicy beer chicken. Look out for that video. Remember, make the chicken nice, well nice. You know, Jamaican love the spicy. If you have a thing to spice, you can just check out the recipe and try it out. Have a shot still. Big up yourself, bro, because we had it again. I'm going to hold it out like a true G, you see me? As Jamaican guy said, hold it out like a true G, you see me? Anyway, remember, look out for the video. Remember, you always subscribe, you see me? Cool. Out here, you see me? Yes, you record that. So, you can't get a piece and go tonight.
Yo, remember me tell you that song you hot, brother. Yo, can just check it out, you see me? Check out Cypher Dan. Yeah, the party there. Real mate.